Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Technically Explained. In this video, we are going to discuss some important tips of YouTube. So the first step is how to activate the dark mode. So to activate the dark mode, you need to click on your account logo here, and then you need to scroll down and click on appearance. When you click on appearance, you need to click on dark mode, and the dark you need to click on dark theme, and the dark mode will be activated. As you can now have a look that this dark mode is very easy on my eyes. The second tip is custom playback speed. You know that you can change the playback speed by going to the settings option and by clicking on this playback speed. Now we have the playback speed with a difference of 0.25. But if I want the playback speed which is something between these 0.25, for example 0.3 etc or 0.6, so to do it we need to click on this custom option. When I click on custom option, I can change the playback speed to whatever value I want with a difference of 0.05. So if I want it to be 0.3, I can uh, make it 0.3. If I want it 0.6, I can make it 0.6. So I can make it at whatever value I want. So this is how I can change the custom playback speed. The third tip is to loop a video. If you want your video to be played again and again, you can simply click on the right click on the video and then click on loop. As you can now have a look, the loop option has been ticked, which means that this video is going to be looped. So this video is going to go till the end and then it will be played again. The fourth tip is the shortcut key. Again, if you click on your account logo and if you scroll down, you have keyboard shortcuts over here. Now these are the keyboard shortcuts that can be used while you are watching video. So let us see some of these keyboard shortcuts. For example, if I'm playing my video and if I click on space bar, the video is going to be paused. Now I'm going to click on space bar. As you can have a look, the video has paused, and now when I again click on space bar, the video has started. The same thing can be done by K. If when I press K, the video is going to be paused. When I press K again, the video is going to be start. Now if you want the video to go forward by 10 seconds, I can simply press J. Now I'm going to press J, and as you can have a look, the video has gone backward by 10 seconds. Fine. And if you might want my video to be forward by 10 seconds, I can simply press L. As you can have a look, I am pressing L and the video is being forwarded by 10 seconds. Other thing is that the values from 0 to 9. If you want the video to start from the beginning, I'm going to press 0. So now I'm going to press 0. As you can have a look, my video has started from beginning. When I press 3, my video is going to start at 30% of the video. When I press 5, my video is going to start at the 50% of the video. For 7, my video is going to start at the 70% of the video. So the keys from 0 to 9 are used to play the video in the to start the video from the middle, or to forward the video to the exact percentage of that video. And the other thing is that I have this uh, mini player mode, this theater mode, and this full screen mode. To activate the mini player mode, I have the shortcut key which is given here, as you can have a look, which is I. So I'm going to press I, and then the mini player mode is going to be activated. As you can have a look here, the mini player mode has been activated, and then I'm going to press I again and the mini player will be deactivated. Again, to activate the theater mode, I need to press the T, and to deactivate it, I need to press T again. To activate the full screen mode, I need to press F, and to deactivate the full screen mode, I need to press F again. And the shortcut keys for changing the playback speed is Shift greater. If you want my speed to be greater, I can click the shift and the greater than sign simultaneously. As you can have a look, my playback speed is increasing and it is now 2. And to decrease is I should click on shift and less than sign simultaneously to decrease the speed of my video. As you can have a look, by clicking on shift and less than sign, the playback speed is decreasing. By clicking on shift and greater than sign, the playback speed is increasing. So that's all for today. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel Technically Explained. Thank you.